Today, we're unboxing this flat sponge floor mop with a built-in squeezer, a must-have for a quick and efficient cleaning. This mop features a high-density sponge that quickly absorbs water, making it perfect for drying wet surfaces in no time. The handle is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability, a comfortable grip, and resistance to rust. Assembly is simple. Just connect the handle pieces, secure the sponge head, and it's ready to use. This mop comes with a built-in squeezer. Just pull this handle, and the sponge compresses to remove excess water effortlessly. No need to wring it by hand, just pull, squeeze, and keep your hands dry. When it rains and gets too windy, water often enters the balcony, making the floor slippery and messy. With just a few passes, this mop quickly soaks up the excess water, leaving the floor dry and safe. After mopping, simply squeeze out the water and it's ready for the next use. Look at how well it absorbs water. This mop is truly effective for both wet and dry cleaning. Strong, absorbent, and easy to use. This flat sponge mop is a game changer for home cleaning. Highly recommended. Get yours now. Check the link in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.